Okay, so let's just go ahead and take the derivative. Let's go. So we have f of x equals 4e to the 2x plus sine 3x plus 2. That's part A. All right, let's take the derivative of 4e to the 2x. So derivative of 4 is 0 times e to the 2x is 0. Now let's take the derivative of e to the 2x. So rewrite 4. Rewrite e to the 2x. But now take the derivative of 2x, which is simply 2. And then same thing, plus derivative of sine is cosine. Rewrite the 3x plus 2. And then take the derivative of the inside, which is simply 3. Those are both applications of the chain rule. Now this is all about simplifying. So we have 8e to the 2x plus 3 cosine 3x plus 2. We're done. Okay, question B. We have e to the x times sine x. So to me, this screams the product rule. So that means we have, now we have a little bit different notation. We're using y prime now. So we take e to the x times the derivative of sine x. I'm not doing anything yet. I'm just showing you exactly what's going on. And then we have you rewrite sine x, and then you take the derivative of e to the x. So still haven't really done any work, just showing what you're going to do. So e to the x, derivative of sine x is cosine x plus, remember the product rule, sine x, and the derivative of e to the x is simply e to the x. We can go ahead and factor out an e to the x, and we have cosine x plus sine x, finished. Okay, continuing in the derivative journey, we have now cosine cubed x times sine x. Okay, so we are going to do the product rule, and I'll write down exactly what we're doing. So cosine cubed x times, I'm rewriting that, times the derivative of sine x. Okay, plus then we rewrite sine x, and then we take the derivative of cosine cubed x. So this is the work. That's what it's going to look like. That's y prime. So now let's go ahead and do the work. So y prime equals, rewrite cosine cubed x, and then take the derivative of sine x, which is cosine x, plus then rewrite sine x, and now take the derivative. So chain rule away. So we have times 3, rewrite cosine x, take the derivative of cosine x, which is negative sine x. All right, now it's all about cleaning up. So now we have cosine to the 4th x, because cosine cubed times cosine is cosine to the 4th, plus negative sine squared x. So let's fix that. Negative sine squared x times 3, so put the 3 out front, cosine x. You could perhaps factor out a cosine x, but overall, you did the job. You did the calculus. It's finished. Next. All right, almost at the end. Let's go ahead and take the derivative of this last one here. So we have s derivative of t equals the derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. So we have 1 over sine t. Then take the derivative of sine t, which is cosine t. Finally, we have cosine t over sine t. You can keep it like that, or if you like, you can go ahead and call this cotangent t. All right, and that's about it.